How to change language on Facebook Lite. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To change the language on Facebook Lite, first and foremost, launch a Facebook Lite application in your mobile device. Now over here, if you have not logged in yet, make sure to go ahead and log in into your account. So Facebook Lite is a much more lighter version with less space that it occupies in your device. The functionality is basically the same, but it does have a lower storage size. Now to change language on your Facebook Lite, it is similar to your Facebook. First and foremost, in your top right corner, tap on the three horizontal line. From here, you can scroll down until you see the option of Settings and Privacy and hit on the Settings option. From here, right under Preferences, you will see Language and Region. Tap on it. Then here you'll find number of languages that you can select from. Just go ahead and select any one from here. Then, as you can see, the language on your Facebook Lite has been changed. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.